It's alright, he won't hurt you. He just wants some nectar.
I won't get it.
Alright, go ahead.
Are you okay?
Sorry, I'm trying to get it on video, baby. Hold it like I am.
They have
Hold it.
weird tongues.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Hey, Lily, there are other birds in here. Give me that. I'm going to give it back to you. Hold on.
He's ready to count. See it.
All right, Lily, come over here. Hold it right here, and he's going to come to you.
Lily.
Don't pay attention. Don't let it go.
Lily, here. Help.
What? Aw. Look at you. Hold on, I'll get a picture.